Hi students, welcome to my classroom. This is about spherical capacitors. So spherical capacitors are those capacitors that have spherical electrical conductors separated by a distance in between them. Have you ever wondered which is the largest capacitor? Our Earth can be considered as the largest capacitor with infinite capacitance when we assume its potential to be zero. And Earth's capacitance can be considered to be 711 microfarad if we consider Earth as a conducting sphere of radius 6400 km. That means Earth has two values for capacitance. Either it is infinite capacitance or it's 711 microfarad. This also means that 711 microfarad is almost equivalent to infinity. Hence, farad is a very large unit. The capacitance of an isolated spherical capacitor is 4 pi epsilon 0 R. Now, let's calculate the capacitance of a spherical capacitor. To calculate the capacitance of any capacitor, we first calculate the electric field between the plates. Then we calculate the potential difference between the plates, and finally we apply the relation C equal to Q by V. A spherical capacitor consists of two concentric spheres separated by a distance. Say an inner sphere of radius A and an outer sphere of radius B. Let's give positive charge to the inner sphere and negative charge to the inner surface of the outer sphere. Thus, there would be an electric field in between these two spheres. To calculate this electric field, we assume a Gaussian surface of radius R. And then we apply Gauss's law and we get the equation for electric field. Once we get the equation for electric field, we calculate the equation for V, and finally we calculate capacitance. So we get capacitance equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 AB divided by B minus A, where A and B would be the radius. Now coming back to our Earth example, let's consider our Earth to be the inner sphere, and let's assume another sphere as its outer sphere. Now imagine that this outer sphere is so big that its radius would be almost equivalent to infinity. In that case, the equation of capacitance for a spherical capacitor gets converted to 4 pi epsilon 0 R, where R would be the radius of the Earth. R would be radius of Earth. That's all about spherical capacitors. Thank you for watching.